Welcome to the first episode of the newest show on the Silent Riders Network, Restoring More. The first episode will feature this 1964 Chevy C10 Fleetside. Watch us restore this beautiful truck back to life. The body was in excellent condition with a nice green paint job. You know what I'm saying? We got something to work with. We got a little something to work with. It ain't all bad. But once we got the truck towed to the shop, we needed to get it all cleaned up before working on it. Our first order of business, first things first, we got to clean out this truck bed. Cleared out all the debris. Mr. Carr had to knock out that wood on the truck bed and prep it for washing. Mr. Carr got that chisel, he got that hammer, and they're gonna take nothing but some good old elbow grease and a few tunes. I don't know what he's listening to, but you're gonna need a good playlist to get through this bill right here. Subscribe to the Silent Riders channel and stay tuned for the next episode of Restore and More.